Multimedia in education. First is the introduction of multimedia. We have definition of multimedia, component of multimedia, hypermedia amp, hypertext, NBSP, multimedia in education, advantages and disadvantages, where to use multimedia. Multimedia definition is a combination of text, graphic, sound, animation, and video that is delivered by computer. Multimedia can be recorded and played, displayed, interacted with, or accessed by information, content, processing devices, such as computerized and electronic devices, but can also be part of a live performance. Component of multimedia: text, graphics, audio, video, and animation. NBSP, text, letter, alphabet, and symbols. In the forms of words, sentences, and paragraphs is used to communicate thought, ideas, and facts. Graphics, used to visualize is important part of communication process, used to add emphasis, direct attention, illustrate concepts, informational, and background for content, as well as navigation control for multimedia products. Audio is a fundamental to multimedia to enhance its attraction of the multimedia presentation. Video, a moving pictures, combines features of graphics and audio to create dynamic content for multimedia products. Animation, to create movement on the screen. Hypermedia is a way of organizing multimedia information by linking media elements. World Wide Web is the largest and mostly used of hypermedia application. Hypertext is the original form of hypermedia and have the ability to access linking information through nonlinear text navigation. Also, developed to permit more random access between components of text documents or between documents to allow greater degree of flexibility and cross-referencing than a purely linear or sequential model would allow. What is multimedia in education? Multimedia combines two or more basic types of media into learning environment: text, video, sound, graphics, and animation, thus providing a powerful new tool for education. For educational technology purposes, multimedia refers to computer-based systems that use associative linkages to allow users to navigate and retrieve information stored in a combination of text, sounds, graphics, video, and animation. We have also the advantages and disadvantages of multimedia in education. The advantages is to increase student interest, flexible learning at any time and anywhere, provide easy access, and fast delivery of tutorial, course material, test, quizzes to the users, help student in understanding the subjects. NBSP, help learners to recall certain topics or issues. While the disadvantages: NBSP, some of the examples or experiment can't be experienced in real time. NBSP, higher cost and time consuming of developing applications. NBSP, there will be some distances in student-teachers interaction. NBSP, copyright issues, and software quality. Where to use multimedia. NBSP, business and industry. NBSP, education and training. NBSP, entertainment, government, and politics. Thank you.